The markets don't believe the CPI number. Do you? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, January the 12th. And, we had CPI this morning. It was quite kind of a wild day. Markets collapsed and rallied, and now they're just kind of mid-range, and we're kind of mixed in our own positions in the markets. It appears that the trend is trying to change, but maybe it is now coming to an end, and we're going to head back south. Really hard to call from here. There's too many factors, but overall, I think long-term we go much lower. But in the meantime, the markets are mixed and actually all higher at the moment. But they've had quite the range today as the CPI number came in as expected at 6.5%, which, if you believe that, I got a bridge I can sell you or some swampland. In the meantime, crude oil was up big and is now coming down still higher, and we're still short. It's now it was as high as 79 and change, and now in the 78s and maybe headed lower. Gold and silver are both charging higher, but they both also have given up a big portion of their gains. Gold was at one time over 1900, okay, headed to new highs, I think, but not today. But I do think that that's where we're headed. We're still long both. Bonds and notes, which were long both, they've been all over the place. The bonds were down big, up big. They've had about a 4-point swing today. And in real money, that's like $4,000 on one futures contract. Okay. The dollar is weak. We don't trade it anymore, but we would be short. The euro currency is higher, and we are long. In the Bitcoin is higher, up over 18,000. Big day today for Bitcoin. If it can break above and hold, and then take from here, I think we could be in business and going higher. We're long. In the copper markets are lower. We're long. Nat gas is higher. We're short. In the grain markets, copper, I don't know if I said copper or not, but copper is lower and we're long. Grain markets are mixed. We're short corn, which is lower. We're short wheat, which is lower. We're long beans, which is higher. In the protein complex, which we don't carry anymore, but I'll give you what the trends are. Fats and feeders are both slightly lower, and the trend is both higher. Hogs are breaking down, which is interesting, and we would still be short. In the softs, cocoa is higher, we're long. Cotton is lower, we're short. Sugar is lower, we're short. OJ is flat, and we are short, long. And coffee is higher after getting pummeled yesterday, and we are still short. Look, it's a tough day. It's a tough trade right now, but I think we're going to start to see a real trend try to grab hold here at some point during the next week or so. So we'll see. But I do think that it will be eventually lower and lower significantly, but we'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, scrolling on the sides, Capital Trading Group, and of course our high school program, and no real sports to speak of. The Sony Open starts today. We like Russell Henley if you're interested. And in the meantime, we'll give you football for the weekend tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, the 12th of January. Have a great day, everybody.